GT6-12H numerical control steel bar straightening and cutting machine, specializing in 5 to 12 millimeters steel bar processing. 0 to 130 meters per minute ultra-high-speed straightening with servo shearing and PLC programmable control. The shearing length 0.6 to 9 meters adjustable. The error is only plus or minus 1 millimeter. The accuracy is full. 53 kilowatts motor is strongly driven with its own automatic straightening, cutting, fault alarms, output preset functions, easy to operate. 380 volts power supply is suitable for industrial scenarios. 13 meters, 1.9 meters, 1.39 meters size meets the needs of batch processing. 5.6T fuselage has strong rigidity. Long-term operation is stable and reliable.